So in this video, we're going to talk about dividing polynomials, and we are going to use long division in this video. There's another way called synthetic division, but we're going to focus on a long division way. All right, so we're going to start by setting this up appropriately. So g minus 2 should be on the outside of the division sign, and g squared minus 4g plus 1 should be on the inside. All right, so when we are dividing, we really care about the first term in each. And that from there, we'll figure out how many times it goes in. So g times what will give me that g squared? G. So we're going to line up our g's. They're the same degree above one another so that we can keep things straight. So now we're going to take that g and we're going to multiply. So we're going to multiply the outside here by g. So we get g squared minus 2g. So when we would do a normal long division problem, we would subtract whatever that answer is. So that's what we're going to do next. We're going to subtract. So I have g squared minus g squared. That cancels out, as it should. Okay, and then we've got negative 4g minus negative 2g. I like to write my problems off to the side exactly for this reason, because a lot of people would just do minus and they'd make it negative 6g. But that double negative turns positive, and so therefore it's negative 2g. So now that we've got what our remainder is for that, I'm going to drop down this plus 1. And now again, I only care about, at this point, that g out front and the negative 2g right there. So what would I need to multiply g by to get to my negative 2g? Negative 2. So now I'm going to take that negative 2 and I'm going to multiply it out over here. So I have negative 2 times g, negative 2g, negative 2 times negative 2, positive 4. So I'm going to do my subtraction now. We've got negative 2g minus negative 2g. Again, there's that double negative that allows us to cross that out. That equals 0. And then we've got 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 is negative 3. I have nothing left to drop down, so I know I'm at a point where I can write my answer. This is called a remainder. And we're going to write it a little bit differently than you may have in 5th grade. In 5th grade, when you did long division with no variables, you wrote R3, right? We're not going to do that. We're going to write it a little differently. So our answer is g minus 2. And then this sign is the sign that's going to come next. So if this were just 3, we would do plus. But it's not. It's minus, so we're going to write minus. And then 3 is our numerator, and over g minus 2 is our denominator. Where did I get that g minus 2 from? This, right here. So g minus 2 minus 3 over g minus 2 is the answer to this division problem. Hopefully, using long division, you now see how to long divide with polynomials.